Okay, I can't wait. I don't know what to do today. What about you, puppet plant?
My name is Piranha Plant, but okay.
Puppet plant. We don't want to get copyrighted.
Okay, fine. Well, we could do like a Nerf War Part 2.
Yeah, that actually sounds very fun.
Shut up, mushroom. That's my
I'm
idea.
not a mushroom.
Yes, you are.
I'm not a mushroom. I'm a cactus.
Well, this argument's gonna go on for like 2 days.
Okay.
I'm a mushroom.
No. You just said you were a mushroom. I'm right.
No, I'm not a mushroom. I'm a cactus.
Mushroom.
I'm a cactus.
Don't make me eat
I am
you.
a cactus.
Are you guys still arguing?
Yes! Shut up! Whoa! I have very bad anger issues. Shut up, Pink Bear.
I hate people.
I'm sorry, but still.
That's my roommate.
I'm sorry.
Wait, where's Dodo? Where did Dodo go?
I'll go find him. See you. I'm gonna go in my thing. Do.
Okay, he just move out the way. You're like hogging the whole thing.
You're a cactus, and why did you say you were a cactus? You're a mushroom.
Sabrina, I used your real name. Pink Bear, you are so stupid. Wait, I'm supposed to be the dumb one here.
Dummy. Cactus. Owie. Ow.
So you get. No one calls me a dumb. Oh my God, what are you doing?
Hello, my name is Bananas.
I didn't find who you're talking about, but I found this weird alien.
Bro,
dude.
why
Ah!
Hey.
What just happened?
I threw him.
Cactus is not a mushroom.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is. He is a mushroom.
I'm a banana. No, it's not.
You don't look nothing
You're
like
shit!
a banana.
Pink Bear, stop! You're shaking the camera.
Wait, are you a hamster?
Yeah.
I'm a mushroom.
No, you're a cactus.
Oh, you said you were a cactus, so I was right all along.
Shut up! You said I'm a cactus.
No, he is a cactus. He is a cactus. What did
was that?
So, hey, Pink Bear, we're not doing the Nerf War yet. We're having this.
Can we start the Nerf War now?
Yeah, okay, let's do it. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Where did you two come from? I don't know.
Can I?
And a lizard came. Hello.
Hey,
Wasn't I talking to you?
Can I be
Shut
lizard?
up. Sabrina, get back here. Use her voice. I suck at it.
Can I be lizard? Hi,
No.
I'm Pink
Why?
Da 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 da.
What the? Okay, guys, the people that are helping me in this video. Well, Sabrina's helping. Anyway, let's just start the video back
I
up.
want to be mountain lion and lizard.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, guys, ready for the Nerf War?
I'm ready for
Yeah.
lizard.
Everybody find their places. Lizard has been eliminated by Hammy. Okay, next person. Mountain lion. Ah! I don't have a gun. Where did my gun go? There's a gun in here. There's a gun in here. But I don't know if I should use it or not. Of course I'm gonna use it. First person mode. Okay, I'm first person. I'm first person mode right now. So
Mountain lion's now dead.
no, he's not dead. He's eliminated because these are Nerf guns. They don't even kill people. So he has been eliminated from the game.
No. But
What the? Hammy has been eliminated from the game.
Are we recording?
Come here.
Ah! Bill! I blocked him out! Go. Got him.
I got him.
We killed each other. Oh, eliminate. Well, we both killed each other. No, we killed each other. Me and Pink Bear.
Yeah, we're just ghosts.
Yeah, we're just ghosts.
You're dead.
No. Ultimate Blast.
This is interesting.
You just burned my gun.
I can't believe I forgot about me.
Yum, 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 yum.
Ah! That hurt. Good thing I haven't been eliminated yet. I got a pencil bomb. Wait, no way. This is a nice gun.
Oh yeah.
Hey, come here. Yum. Why won't you give it to me? Get back here. Yum. Ah. Wait,
I'm a ghost.
it's a ghost. Oh, it's...
Oh, hello. You can't be my enemy. No, you can't use your mouth.
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
Power up.
Yeah, the misery.
Lily, you're dead.
Can't
Lily, got
be my enemy.
Ultimate power punch. My ult pull.
Everybody, go subscribe to this video.
Let's go. I win. I am the ultimate person ever. What the? No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The bird win. Oh my God. Is he actually winning? Wait. What is that?
The bird died. Hey,
Baby Yoda win.
What the heck? That's insane.
to do it.
Hey cuties, 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 hey cuties.